So today I'm gonna walk through the step-by-step process how to cook Hyderabadi Kacchi Dum Biryani. So why precisely I call Kacchi Dum Biryani is you got a lot of variants of biryanis available across the globe. So there's a lot of history behind how biryani evolved and from where, but I'm not going to talk you through that one. But yes, I would like to tell you what Hyderabadi Kacchi Dum Biryani means. So the word Kacchi means raw. So the whole process is to marinate the raw meat and set it aside for a couple of hours before cooking it, and it's only cooked on steam. So you have the rice cooked separately for about 70 to 80%. Then you layer it on top of this marinated meat and then cook it on the steam. That's called dum. I know you got to be a little bit more passionate and patient while cooking biryani, and that's how that love gets into the dish and it turns out to be very tasty. So cooking of this Kacchi Dum Biryani is a very tedious process. You spend a lot of effort, like 4 to 5 hours, but I'm still trying to keep this video very short and not making it too lengthy. So let's get started. I'll walk you through the steps. Please do give it a try and let me know how it turns out to be. Let's begin the marination process. So I'm here taking 1.5 kilo of chicken. So I'm adding ginger garlic paste, 3 tablespoons. Then we'll add some turmeric, and that's red chili powder, and that's some coriander powder, that's cumin, and that's grinded garam masala, and we're adding some salt, so it depends how salty you want your biryani, so you can add to your extent. So that's raw garam masala that I added. Add some ketchup, then we're adding some yogurt, that's sunflower oil. So I'll be squeezing 2 whole limes. Now stir it well. So we're going to add some fried onion. So mix it all well and just set it aside for at least 2 hours. So I'm adding some chopped coriander and mint on top of the marinated meat. And a layer of fried onions. So this allows the rice to stay apart from the marinated meat. So that's how we'll be layering the rice later. So I'm trying to cook the rice. So I've taken a vessel, add some oil, and then all the raw garam masala. So that is stars and your cardamom, cinnamon, and bay leaves. So add some salt. Add water and bring it to boil. So I have already taken 1 kilo basmati rice and kept it aside, soaked in water for 30 minutes. So I'm just trying to put that into the boiling water. Now cook the rice, ensure it gets cooked 70 to 80%. Once you notice the rice is cooked to 70-80%, drain the water and try to layer it on top of the marinated meat. So I'm trying to add some ghee on top of the rice to give it some flavor, and add another layer of fried onion on top of it, and some chopped coriander and mint. So you know the meat at the bottom is uncooked, the raw meat, marinated meat. So we are going to ensure the lid is tight and there is no steam going out of the vessel. So I've just taken some dough and tried to cover the hole and put a weight on top of the lid so all the pressure stays inside. So let that biryani cook for at least an hour and a half. And you will have your meat cooked very well. So I've taken off the lid after an hour and a half. Ensure first 30 minutes you cook on high flame and then reduce the flame to sim. Also make sure you use a tawa and not directly put the vessel on the flame. So our biryani is ready. So I've taken the meat and then trying to layer it with rice. So ensure you're not mixing it all together. So just try to take the layers, and that's how you'll feel the flavor of biryani. So your Kacchi Dum Biryani is all set. Thank you guys for watching it, and please leave your comments if you like it, and do share it with your friends. So you're not really missing out on the restaurant foods, especially biryani. Thank you.